out to you as far as the weather in the week ahead is concerned. First of all, it's going to get pretty wet in most parts of the country, and secondly, for a while at least, a good deal warmer. We have winds coming all the way up from the Azores and beyond, so hence the reason why it's going to get warmer. And of course those winds are pretty mild, and I mean the west of Scotland probably more than anywhere else, but there will be some heavy rain coming right down across the country. But in that northwestern part, look out for 45 millimetres or so right the way from the early hours of Tuesday through well into Wednesday, and there could be some localised flooding. And here comes the warmth. You see the way the colours have changed to orange, at least for a time, and then the cooler weather floods back again as we head towards the latter part of the week and into next weekend. Great big blanket of cloud across us at the moment, loads of rain too, mostly down the western and central slice of the country. Still some dry weather to be had in eastern areas, but it's not going to last long. We're all going to have a spell of wet weather for a while, but then the heavier rain will move on during the afternoon, first part of the evening, to be replaced by dull, damp, sort of drizzly weather for the rest of the day. But there will be some quite heavy bursts of rain, at least for a time, and it's going to be pretty windy as well. Now, in the rain at the moment in the east, it feels rather chilly, but all the while those temperatures will continue to rise, and by the end of the afternoon into the evening, it's going to be quite mild at 12 or 13 degrees in many places. So then the last of that heavy rain slips away from eastern parts first thing this evening, and then for much of the night it leaves most of the country sort of damp and drizzly really. Some fog rolling in around the coast, capping the hilltops, but as this little wave, this little depression runs close to the north of Scotland, so it will enhance the rain and bring in some very wet and very windy weather indeed to that northwestern corner. It is going to be a mild night, lowest temperatures tonight, very similar to the highest ones that we're going to get this afternoon. So then tomorrow dawns cloudy and murky and misty just about everywhere. That'll be that heavy rain in that northwestern corner, together with gales, even severe gales. I think a lot of the rain and drizzle that we do have in central and eastern parts of England will tend to fade away, and it may well brighten up in sheltered spots, but I think you're going to find the damp, drizzly weather persist near western coasts and hills, as does the heavier rain in Scotland, although the far north of Scotland might just about brighten up. But if you're brightening up further south with a little bit of shelter, could see temperatures soaring to 15, 16 or even 17 degrees. Then in the latter part of the week, this weather front brings the rain slowly but surely down to southeastern parts of the country. Eventually brighter weather with showers follows along behind, but it won't clear the southeast until the weekend. Back to Anna.